Hello guys, welcome to another video. So we're going to be looking at task 13M. So the question says open the file that you saved in task 13K. All right, so let's open the file. So I'll go to my tasks and then open the file here. So the next thing I want to do is to add your name. It says add your name on the left in the header. Okay, left in the header, my name. And then the text historical study in the center of the header, and the text England 2009 on the right in the header. Okay, so let's go ahead. So to insert a header, we want to use the insert tab. Click on insert tab and then go to header. Now normally it's good to select the blank 3-column style, so I'm going to take that. I want to click here and then write my name. My name is Ikechukwu Anolefo. And then for this center, I want to actually add this historical study. So I want to copy it from here and then add it right there, paste, right? And then the right, I want to copy this England 2009 and then paste it. Click once, and then once it's selected, I'm going to paste it right there. So that is it. So you can now click on close header and footer, and then that's how you get this done. Okay, so what's next? Save the document as task 13M. So I'm going to save my document file, save as, then browse, then of course I'm going to save it as task 13M. All right, so you can also add the footer the same way by going to insert, and then instead of header, you click on footer and then take that same type of style, right? That is the 3-column blank style. Now you can also access the header or footer by just double clicking on top of that place, and then you have your header and footer selected, and then you can close. You can actually double click in the center of the page for you to actually exit the header or footer. Okay, all right, so thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.